Why do 100% of humans sneeze? And what's really going on when we do? Sneezing is your body's way of cleaning house. When dust, pollen, or even strong smells irritate the lining of your nose, your brain gets the signal. Time to eject. Here's a fun fact. Sneezes can travel up to 100 miles per hour. That's faster than a cheetah. And when you sneeze, you're not just expelling air. You're launching around 100,000 tiny droplets into the air. So, next time you feel that tickle, remember it's your body's way of keeping you healthy. And fun fact, you can't sneeze with your eyes open. Try it, we dare you. Just make sure to cover your nose and mouth. Stay curious, stay